सो इलॉन मस्क का एक इंटरव्यू आया है इकोनॉमिस्ट में। उन्होंने काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ें बोली है इसमें एआई को लेके, हाउ ही सीज द फ्यूचर ऑफ एआई एंड ऑफ कोर्स बहुत सारे पॉलिटिकल कमेंट्स भी मारे हैं। बट इस इंटरव्यू को अगर थोड़ा सा एआई के लेंस से देखा जाए तो लेट समराइज के वो उन्होंने क्या क्या इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ें बोली है उस इंटरव्यू में। सो लेट्स गेट इनटू द वीडियो। So, first important thing, Elon Musk said कि AI human mind से भी ज़्यादा powerful और intelligent हो जाएगा in the next 5 years, right? So all of us we know आज as compared to last 5 years, आज हमारी लाइफ में AI कितना important हो गया है। In the next 5 years, he is expecting जो human minds को भी overtake करेगा in the next 5 years. Very important. He also said that work may become optional. He argued that advanced AI and robotics could eventually make most human labor unnecessary, creating a future of abundant goods and potentially a form of universal high income. So he said that most of the labor work can be taken care by AI, which means in companies, not just blue collar or white collar, a lot of things, if the AI becomes even more powerful than the human mind, then a lot of labor can be replaced with AI. So he also said that, when future may AI might replace humans, he used the word replace, money might become irrelevant, which is true because agar aap dekho, AI solution for a company or a corporate is always cheaper as humans, right? Because one AI is probably equivalent to 6 or 5 employees for a company, right? So it's cheaper. Then uski recurring cost is also cheaper as compared to, let's say, salaries and wages of employees. So he said that money will become irrelevant after AI becomes even better than human minds, right? That's another important thing that he said. He's addressed China very interestingly. He is based out of US. Of course, उनका कुछ Sam Altman के साथ भी there were a couple of minutes where he spent that time in saying something which was conflicting, but we'll not go into that. What is more important is he said China will be a dominant country when it comes to AI. Now, he's not mentioned US, he said China will become dominant, and that is also very evident. If you look at China today, China is coming out with AI solutions which are 10 times or 5 times more cheaper than US solutions, right? China, for example, US को आज AI को चलाने के लिए जितनी पावर और कंजम्पशन चाहिए होती है, चाइना उस पावर और कंजम्पशन को रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी से यूज कर रहा है। तो ऑब्वियसली द कॉस्ट फॉर एआई फॉर चाइना, एंड ऑफ कोर्स लेबर तो वहाँ पे सस्ती है ही, तो कॉस्ट ऑफ एआई फॉर चाइना इज मच चीपर देन द यूएस, एंड ही इज एड्रेस्ड दैट चाइना विल बी द डोमिनेंट कंट्री, नॉट यूएस. So he's also said politics was probably wrong for him. So he getting involved in Trump's campaigns was probably something wrong. He should have concentrated on companies, on AI, on Starlink. That would have been more profitable for him. And he's categorically said that's probably where he went wrong. Another interesting thing, so after that interview, there has also been a very recent SpaceX employee town hall where Musk talked about using SpaceX employees' data and internal communications to train Grok. Grok, as we all know, is the AI for X or for Elon Musk, describing employees as effectively the parents of AI. So, with the number of employees that he has in all the companies and the number of user base that X has and all the other companies have, like for example Tesla, he feels that he has the ability to train AI much better. So this is what Elon Musk said in his interview. अब उनकी predictions कितनी सही होती है, कितनी गलत होती है, वो तो टाइम ही बताएगा. But it's a food for thought for us to think about where AI is today, where it was 5 years back, and where it can be in the coming 5 years. So अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी, सब्सक्राइब करिए, कमेंट करिए, लाइक करिए, और प्लीज़ बताइए कि अगर आपको किसी भी टॉपिक पे आप चाहते हैं कि हम वीडियो बनाएं, वी बी मोर देन हैप्पी टू मेक इट फॉर यू. थैंक यू सो मच. दिस इज अभिषेक साइनिंग ऑफ.